So this is a quick video to show how to transfer vertex position from one mesh to another, even if they do not have the same topology, but they have the same UV sets. So these two meshes, as you can see, they have different poly count, so they won't joining them as a shape key won't work. So, but luckily they share the same UV set. So the UVs are overlapping. So using this mesh data transfer add-on, I can pick the sample space as active UV, pick this mesh as a source, and then transfer the shape. If I transfer the shape, now the shape will transfer over. So now this is the new shape. I can even keep, if I want to keep the original position, I can transfer the shape as a shape key. So if I do that, this is a shape key. Okay, so it's keeping the original pose. One thing is that, as you can see, the poly count on this mesh is higher than the source. So the final result is very is faceted, and so what I can do, I can use a modifier on the top to smooth the polygons. So here I have a smooth modifier, but if I want to transfer the shapes again, I have to, and I want to keep the modified mesh as a source, I have to sample the modified source. So now if I transfer the shape, the mesh is gonna look like the modified mesh. So shape position is not the only thing that I can transfer. I can transfer over even shape keys or vertex groups. So this mesh has got two vertex groups. So if I want to do that, I just wanna just gonna hit transfer vertex group, and now the vertex group have transferred over. So, and this is all based on the UVs, of course. I can also transfer a shape key. So if I shape key, set to give it a moment, and now the shape key is gonna be there. So this is the shape key, the transfer shape key, and this is what it looks like in the original mesh. Yeah, so that's it. The add-on is free. You can download it from the link below. Just have fun with it. Bye.